Hey, good Saturday afternoon, YouTube, Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Today and yesterday, we threw another one of these Vevor diesel heaters in down at the garage. And we did this because I think they're cool. And in the spring, when I shut the wood boiler down, I don't have any heat down here. And and you get a couple cold days, and instead of having that old torpedo heater out, I decided to put another one of these in. Now this is the third one we've got. We got one in the enclosed trailer, and all in one unit. We put one in the cabin. Got another video on that. And we put this one in. And this one here also runs off my solar system, because I ended up putting I got a 24 volt system. I've got a 24 volt to 12 volt power supply unit that I put in, and that black tray cable goes all the way up to my battery bank, and it's fused at that end, and then it's fused at 12 volts for this end here, so that way it runs for free except for the diesel. But it's out of the way. It'll kind of heat up the area that I use most when I'm over here, like the desk. And I just put an old, actually I put a gutter bracket I had. I screwed it to the bottom of the table, and I just tie wrapped my duct to that. So it's close, but it's, it's not in the way of anything. And we mounted our controller up there. And this one is the Bluetooth one. I thought I'd try one of those. So there you have it. Have a good day.